Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can send money from USA to India from Remitly. So at first what you need to do is head over to the Remitly page and you'll see something over here that says sending to Nepal. You need to click on this icon over here, search for India, just like so, select India, and then you need to wait until over here it says India, like you need to wait for this page to load up. As you can see, it has loaded up. Now once it loads up one more time, you want to click on send money right over here, then wait for this page to load up where you're going to finally send the money. So you need to choose in USD or INR. Let's say that you want to send 50,000 Indian rupees, and it's going to show you automatically what is the amount in USD. And then the delivery speed, there are two ways. Do you want it to be sent through Express or Economy? Express is a bit faster, Economy is a bit slower. So through Express, you pay with debit or credit card, and Economy is if you're paying with bank account. So once you hit on continue, it's going to take you to a page where it says delivery method, which means whatever the person is, how are they going to be taking it? Is it a bank or UPI or is it a cash pickup? You just select the UPI and then you put in the UPI number, everything, all of these details, and eventually it's also going to ask for your bank details. But this is the process. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.